So when I first started calling myself a photographer, I would point my camera at anything that I found even remotely interesting. My hard drive is filled with those early random photos. In fact, one of those photos that actually still lives on my wall here. As time went on and I got more into photography, I started to learn more about the technical aspects, like the rules of composition, color theory, and posing principles, and all of that fun stuff. As I learned these things, I remembered that my photos did start to look better, and I could see my photos improving, but then I started to feel like I was checking off boxes on a list instead of just shooting something for the sake of shooting it. It was more like I was concerned with impressing others, or even just trying to outdo myself instead of just expressing myself. I stopped bringing my camera out because I had the pressure to be a good photographer, and I felt that I couldn't live up to it. Like I was trying to impress some abstract audience. It took a long time to convince myself that I can use those skills that I learned and approach my photography with that same sense of wonder and joy. So forget the rules for a moment. There is no such thing as a right way to take a photo. Imagine if you were the only person that would ever see your photo. What story do you want to tell yourself in that image? I don't care about the photos you took just to rack up likes on Instagram. I want to see your unique perspective on the world. How do you interpret this journey we call life? If you think that your work isn't good enough or unique enough, well, I can say that those feelings never really go away. But every photographer started from zero. Your perspective is shaped by your experiences. No one has a story that is the same as yours. It is better to express yourself authentically than to wither in the shadows of others' approval. I sincerely hope that this inspires at least one of you to go out and just start taking photos that you enjoy, because those are the photos that I want to see in the world. Thank you guys for watching.